Welcome back to Arm & Hammer Summer Camp, the camp for kids that's made for you. That's you, Mom and Dad. I'm your craft counselor, Amber Kemp-Christel, and today we're making our very own modeling clay. It'll take about 20 minutes, which is a perfect amount of time to check the back of your pantry for those expired cans of tuna. Here's what you'll need. All right, we've got all our supplies ready to go. The first thing we're going to do is pour 2 cups of Arm & Hammer baking soda into a saucepan. Next, we'll put in 1 cup of cornstarch. Now, let's stir these together until they're well mixed. Next, add 1 1/4 cups of cold water and keep mixing. Now it's time to add some color to our modeling clay. Grab some food coloring and drop it in. Now we're going to cook it over medium heat, stirring constantly throughout until it's about the consistency of mashed potatoes. Should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's the consistency of mashed potatoes, remove from the heat, put it on a plate, and cover with a damp cloth. Once it's cool to the touch, remove the damp towel and knead out your modeling clay. This is a perfect time now to get creative with the kids and come up with whatever you want. There's a world of possibilities in this lump of clay. If you make something that you love, this will dry if you leave it out. If you want to keep it and keep playing with it, just put it in the fridge. It'll last about a week. And that's it. Our modeling clay is done. Let your imagination run wild. I can't wait to see what you and your kids create together. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.